Hello Taurus, how are you doing? This is your general reading for July 2020. I've already shuffled these cards and let's see what you have in your July month. So the very first card, the Hierophant card. So this is yours, Taurus. This card is a Taurus, and it talks about maybe you are getting spiritual, you are more traditional in your thoughts, you like things in the traditional way, and you are being spiritual. This is what I can get. You are visiting temples, churches, or all the worshipping places, Taurus. Maybe I remember the money career reading in which things are difficult right now for you, and for most of the signs. So for finding that inner peace or the solace, you are becoming more inclined towards spirituality, and that is making you calmer and you feel better. Now the Chariot. So the Chariot card talks about a journey. Maybe you will take a journey. It is not an impulsive one. It is a well thought journey in which well thought in terms that you are thinking about all the positive and negative aspects. You balanced everything, the thought of, and then you need to move forward. So you are definitely moving forward and you're taking a journey, Taurus, somewhere, maybe for a job or for a job situation. It could also be that you could move for a love situation. So general readings, but it is showing a forward movement for you, Taurus, in July. Then we have the Six of Rods. Six of Rods is celebrating a victory. So there is something that you get in July. Maybe fame. I think you will get, some of you are getting fame, publicity, and you are becoming victorious. So it is like leap to fame kind of a thing for you guys, because you have been trying to work hard for quite some time, and you come victory, and that gives you that fame and publicity, what I feel. Page of Pentacles. Here I feel this card is like showing that some of you are taking higher education, or you are trying to learn a new skill, so that you have certain plans in mind regarding your work situation. So before that you must have the knowledge. So it's a card of the scholar. So maybe some of you are taking online lessons, or you are taking going back to your college, not in terms, I mean virtually, virtual classes. So it's basically getting more information, right information, learning about things. So Page of Pentacles is about for your future plans. Maybe you need a certain education degree, so you are working towards that. Maybe you are taking up a certain course thing. And then we have this Three of Cups. Three of Cups is about celebration, Taurus. There is something you are celebrating with your friends and family. I mean, there is a victory card which I saw, so could be the reason that this is your celebration going on for you. Also, for some of you, it could talk about love. In terms of love, usually this card represents a third party situation, wherein some of you might be having an affair with a person who, or a love triangle could be. I mean, a person who is married, or also could talk about a love triangle, like two people. Some of you are maybe dating two people, or vice versa. Maybe somebody else. It's happening from the other way around also. So the energies can always, it's always reversible, like vice versa. So this is what I get, Taurus. So we'll take one card from the bottom of the deck and we'll just see. Okay, Hangman. So Hangman. So this showing that at times you are. It is showing that you want, although there is a movement card, there is a victory card, but there are certain times in July that you go into this Hangman stage wherein maybe you had things you were thinking in a certain perspective and it did work earlier. So for that time you just withdraw and you heal and you think about the same things with a new perspective and with a calmer self, so that the next course of action can be decided once you are out of this. So July, at times, for some of you, you go maybe in a love situation you wanted to act regarding your relationship, but you just step back sometimes, even in a family business or a business you want to expand, and there are times you just take and you just are doing nothing. You are just sometimes thinking, okay, let me see this thing with another perspective too. So this is in July for some of you. So this is good, Taurus. So overall what I feel is that you have future plans in mind, that and there is fulfillment, there is spirituality, there is happiness with friends. So better than June, hopefully for you guys. And this is it. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel.